Hello, Jared here, owner of Shading, Texas. I get this kind of question a lot. With Austin growing and San Antonio growing, people are building houses a little bit closer to each other. And it's like, hey, what can I do for some privacy? And so here we installed a 99% motorized flex shade. Here, I'll push down on the remote, kind of show you what I mean. But right now, this is the this is the view that you're getting. And when I put this down, I want to show you what the 99% privacy screen can do. It's really impressive. So that's the 99% privacy screen. I'll bring it down a little bit more for you. So you can see when you come over here, you can see shapes and those kind of things, but really it gives you that privacy that you need, that it's really hard to see through. And during the day, you can't see anything through at all. So anyway, this is Jared, the owner of Shading, Texas. We are sun out, life in. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you.